Let's go over how to use a tire inflator gauge. Ensure your product has AAA batteries either pre-installed or in the box. To power on the tire inflator gauge, press the power button. To change the unit of measurement, use the power button. To turn off your tire inflator gauge, hold down the power button. There's even a flashlight. This tire inflator gauge features a steel braided hose, an air chuck, MPT hookup, inflation trigger, and a 360-degree LCD. Now that you know all the features, let's inflate your tires. You're going to need a tank air compressor in order to use your tire inflator gauge. Most tank air compressors should come with a MPT coupler. To use it, pull down the jacket, insert the MPT adapter, and make sure it's snug. Now that we got everything hooked up, we're going to turn on the air compressor and wait till it fills up to about 50 psi. Now that we got our tank air compressor filled up, let's put some air into it. Remove the valve stem cover and attach the air chuck. Now that we got our air chuck attached and have our reading, I'm a bit below the manufacturer's recommended PSI. To find out how much air to put into your tires, locate the sticker on the driver's side door jamb. I'm going to do a full squeeze to inflate my tire. Hold it down for a few seconds and then let go to take a reading. You might have to do this a few times. It looks like I went a little over the recommended PSI. To bleed air from your tire, quarter squeeze the trigger. You should hear and feel air escape from the handle. Now that we've got our tires filled up, remember to bleed out the air compressor before storing.